Hope you guys doing great. Thank you very much for everything, guys. Really appreciate your support, the number of views and everything. And firstly, I would like to say everyone, the viewers, wish you guys a happy and a prosperous new year. I know 2020 was hectic, but I wish you all the best for 2021. Okay, today I'm here to cook some pasta. So quite a few requests came through. People asking me to cook some pasta. So I'm using macaroni, which is world famous for macaroni and cheese. And then I've got all the vegetables prepped and ready. And then I'm going to use some cheddar cheese. So these are the ingredients. I've got mushrooms, I've got broccoli, and I've got some baby marrows and zucchini, red onions thinly sliced, julienne cut, potatoes and carrots, and I've got some green chilies, and then I've got garlic and ginger, also thinly sliced. So you need to have that taste, so you can't always keep on using. So it's also good to have it gets in under your teeth. It's very nice. So thinly sliced that one as well. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much, and that's the macaroni I'm gonna use. And yeah, stay tuned, and I'm gonna start. Alright, guys, I've got the pan set up. I poured some olive oil, and I'm using olive oil today. So I did put some olive oil, and then okay, let's kick start it. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some chilies. I know it's pasta is Italian, but I just added some curry leaves, so just some Indian twist. And then I'm adding red onions. I'm adding ginger and garlic that I thinly sliced as well. With the carrots and potatoes. So guys, I'm not gonna fully cook everything, so I want it like, half boiled, not 100% done. So it's always to eat like half boiled vegetables, or like, just a steamed vegetable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make them like, it doesn't have like the freshness, so I'm just gonna saute them a bit. So the ingredients I added, they need a bit of time to like at least half boil and everything. So, and the rest of the ingredients are very soft and they cook very easily. So I'm gonna add a bit later. I just simmer the stuff. Okay, I'm gonna add some dry spices. I've got some garam masala. Again, I'm adding an Indian twist on the Italian dish. Oh, it's gonna be fine, guys. I'm adding some turmeric. Healthy. I like to have turmeric in all my foods, so it's really good. And some jeera powder. And I've got some coriander powder. I'm gonna put on the lid for a while so it's get cooked thoroughly. So I'm gonna just leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, and I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. So I steamed those carrots and potatoes for like 5 minutes. I don't want to burn them, so I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So like zucchini and baby marrows, they got some water inside it, so they're gonna be very soft. So I added the zucchini and the baby marrows. I'm also adding the broccoli. And I've got some portobello mushrooms. What I did is I chopped them and I've just soaked them in the water. So I'm adding them. You can add any mushrooms. Button mushrooms should be also fine, but me and my family like portobello mushrooms a lot, so I've added portobello. You guys might think like, this looks like stir-fry vegetables. Yeah, it's similar, guys. So most of the time the cookings, you kind of relate it to the other recipes and the items. So it's similar to stir-fry vegetables as well. I'm gonna add now a bit of salt as per the taste. I'm adding a bit of pepper. I've got some green chili, so I'm gonna go light on pepper. It already looks very nice. The same way, guys, instead of using pasta, you can also use noodles, and it can be veg noodles, and don't include any cheese. Then it should be like veg noodles. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit of water, just a bit, and I'm gonna put on the lid and again steam it for like 5 minutes, so that everything can be combined and it's all cooked thoroughly. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back soon. Alright, guys, I'm back. So the vegetables looks like, they're cooking pretty awesome. I'm not going to cook 100% because I don't want to cook the vegetables 100%. I want a bit of rawness in that. So the other thing I wanted to highlight, so macaroni, what I did is, I boiled them with a pinch of salt and a bit of drops of olive oil, and then I strained them. And you need to, once you strain it's half cooked, so once you strain them, you need to run under cold water, so they become a bit free and easy. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna add it. I just don't want them so running under the water. What it makes is it makes them to not stick to each other. They're all separated and they become fluffy. All right. Gonna give it a quick stir. Chop this pot, guys. It looks yummy already. It's very quick and easy recipe, guys. So I hope once you watch the video, you're gonna try it. And it's also, since we are using all the vegetables, so it's very healthy as well. Okay. Now the other ingredients, I'm gonna add a bit of dark soy sauce. And add a bit of Worcester sauce. I'm gonna add a bit of lemon, vinegar, white vinegar. If you want, you can also add a bit of chili powder, but this should be fine. Yeah, this looks good, guys. Hope you guys like it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a nice tip, guys. Most of the time what people do is, like, cheese needs to be added at the end of this time when it's almost done, and then you're going to take it out from the stove. What happens is when you try to wait until the cheese melts, the bottom gets stuck and it gets burned. So I'm going to give you a quick tip how to not get it burned as well. But now I'm going to add the cheese. So I've got a block, and then what we did is we just used a grater and then grated into a small powder-like thing, and it's going to make the cheese melt very soon and easy. So this is a tip, guys. Once you add the cheese, in order for you to wait so that the bottom doesn't get burnt, just add a bit of water on the bottom from the four sides. That's it. I'm going to put the lid on and wait until the cheese melts. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. Alright, guys, that's a quick 3 to 4 minutes. See, the cheese has now melted and it looks amazing. So it's done. That's the last final touch. I've got some chopped mint and coriander. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to garnish. Alright, that's it, guys. It's all done. And hope you liked the video. And I would like you guys to try the recipe, and please like, share and subscribe, and also do comment. And keep me posted, guys. And if you want me to do any more recipes or any cookings and suggestions, would be welcome. Thank you very much. Have a great day.